Tell me, oh, test out. Okay, presto. No signal.
In the hole. And if you got to write a $10,000 check in order to sell the truck.
Okay, presto. Just ran to the red light.
That's me. I'm looking at it that way. Now, relationally, what we have found actually occurs when
wow. No fuck. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. Okay, presto.
Is Social Security, and then the other 2.9% goes to Medicare. Now, if you're self-employed, meaning you're your own boss.
Wow, you saw that? Okay, presto. When everybody's in a rush, that's what happens. Everybody's zigzagging, rushing lanes, not giving enough time. Okay. It may even be worth. Look at this guy. Okay, presto. Like, people are just crazy when they